In this video, I'm gonna show you how to play GTA 5 online. So let's just say you are already inside GTA single player. To play online, just click escape and click online. And over here, you want to choose play GTA online. Then you want to select, and here it will automatically select go and click OK. This will basically send you to the GTA 5 online. It may take like few seconds or few minutes, so let's just wait for this. Okay, so it's loading now. As you can see, it's finally finished loading, and this is like the GTA online. If you notice, you're gonna find some people here, and maybe not on this map but on the smaller mini map. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.